Hello students, I hope that you are good, well and fine. In today's session, we will be seeing NCERT exercise 7.1 solutions. Okay, we have covered the enough theory and to now solve the NCERT exercise 7.1. Let's jump to our exercise. First question of this 7.1 says that we have to find an antiderivative or integral, okay, of the following functions by the method of inspection. Okay, the method of inspection means that you have to directly think about what is your function such that its derivative will be this thing. Okay, you know this is some sine theta. Yes, this is some sine theta. Take it as sine theta. Okay, okay. Now what? Now if this is sine theta, you know the derivative of a function which gives me the sine theta. What? You all know which is cos theta. But cos theta gives minus sine theta. But I want just sine theta. So what can you do? Just multiply with minus both sides. You will get your answer. Okay. Okay. So derivative of minus cos theta will give me sine theta. Okay. But if you see in place of sine theta, what you are having? 2x. Okay, just replace theta by 2x. Don't worry. So what you will get? Dx minus cos 2x. Then what will be its derivative? As you can see, the derivative will be sine 2x multiply with the derivative of the inside thing, which will be just 2. So 2 sine 2x, but I want this thing. So divide by 2 both sides, you will get this as your expression. So by method of inspection, what can you say? Minus cos 2x divided by 2 will be your answer. Okay. So as you can see, minus cos 2x divided by 2 or half of cos 2x will be your answer. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, let us move to next problem. The same approach we will be applying here. So now take it as cos theta. Okay, cos theta. You know the derivative of what function gives you cos theta? Derivative or what function gives you cos theta? The sine theta. But in place of theta, I want 3x. So replace it. Okay. This means cos. Okay, cos 3x. Okay, clear? So it will be d by d theta is equals to d by d theta sine 3. We are taking theta as x. Okay. Now it will be dx 3x. Then the answer for this will be what? Sine gives me cos, just cos 3x. Now what about this differentiation of inside thing? This will be 3. So you will get sine 3x is equals to 3 cos 3x, but I want just this cos 3x. Divide by 3 both sides, you will get this as your answer. Okay. So your answer will be 1 by 3 sine 3x. As you can see, 1 by 3 sine 3x. So in general, what can you say? If you are given with integration of cos nx, if you are given with integration of cos nx, then your answer will be what? Your answer will be sine nx by n. Also, you have to add some constant. Okay, clear? So this will be your answer. But if you have sine nx integration, then your answer will be minus cos nx by n plus c. Then your answer will be this. Okay, please remember this general form. This will benefit you. Okay, I hope that from these two examples you can form this general form. Okay, let us move next. Now e power 2x, take this as theta. Okay, 2x, so you will have e theta. The integration or the antiderivative for E theta will be what? You all know, just E theta. E theta gives E theta after differentiating as well as after integration. Okay, but we have 2x in place of theta. Okay, just replace 2x. Okay, then you will have what? This extra 2 here. This extra 2 here. Why? Because, let me just show you. So what you are doing is you have to find such that d over d theta E theta will be what? Your answer will be E theta. Okay, your answer will be E theta. You know, it is very simple. E theta gives E theta. But what you want is, you want d over, okay, you want something like this, that what function you write in terms of x as that you will get after differentiating, you will get this. So very simple. If you put the same 2x here, now differentiate it. Okay, now differentiate it, what you will get? You will get e2x multiply with 2. Okay, but you want only this term, so just divide by 2 every side. You will have this. This means e2x divided by 2 will be your answer. As you can see, e2x divided by 2 will be your answer, or half of e2x. What this is saying, that whenever you have e and x, then your antiderivative will be what? E and x divided by n. Okay, please remember this, memorize this. Okay, clear? So we have seen 3 general forms, 1 for exponentials and 2 for trigonometric function. Okay, cos and sine. Clear? Now the fourth problem, ax plus b whole square is given. This means we have to find that what function or what expression we have to write over here such that I will get ax plus b whole square. Okay, so think, you know that after differentiating you will get the one less power. So if you are getting 2 here, this means in here you will be having one more power. Yes, you will be having something like this. After differentiating, you know, after differentiating, this power becomes 1 less, this means 2. But also that this will be the coefficient. If you do what? The differentiation of this, what you will get? You will get ax plus b whole, sorry, you will get the differentiation. This will be your starting point. Okay, this will be your starting point, and then differentiated, what you will get? This thing. Now the differentiation isn't complete yet. You have to differentiate the inside thing also using the chain rule. You will get a. So now after differentiating this thing, you will get this, and but you want this as your answer after differentiating. Okay, no worry. This means if I manipulate some things at this stage at the beginning, then I will get this. How? If I divide by a and 3. Okay, then you know that 3a will be cancelled. You only left with this term. So your answer will be ax plus b whole cube divided by 3. So your answer will be by inspection ax plus b whole cube divided by 3, as you can see. Okay. Okay. Now the same logic will be applied here. So first of all, antiderivative for this, we just saw the what? We just saw the general form. So using the general form, it will be like this. Okay. Sine nx will be what? Minus of cos nx divided by n. Okay. So now what about this? So 4 will be as it is. E nx means e 3x divided by 3. E nx divided by n. Just this. So you will have this as your answer. Minus of cos 2x divided by 2 minus 4 by 3 e power 3x. Okay, simple. Let us move next problem. Now we have to evaluate integrals. Just quick. So we will be using the result. What result? That integration of a plus b dx can be rewritten as integration of a dx plus integration of b dx. Okay, a and b both are in terms of x, expression in terms of x. Okay, so using this, what you will get? You will get integration of 4e3x plus integration of 1 dx. Okay, clear? Now you know integration for this will be what? Your just x. Okay, now integration for this I'll be using what? Now I'll be using, let me just write it over here. I'll be using another result, which is k times of fx dx is equals to k multiply integration of fx, just fx dx. Okay, so this thing, after using this thing, I can take out what? I can take out this 4, yes, out, and now integration for this will be, I'll be using the general form. So 4 times e3x divided by 3. Now the same sign plus some constant. Always add some constant. Okay, in integration. Clear? Okay, so you will get your answer as you can see, 4 by 3 multiply with e3x plus some constant. Okay, clear? Let's move to the next problem. Problem number 7. Now simplify it. You will have integration of x square minus integration of 1. You will have this. So as you can see, this will be what? Integration of x power n always gives you x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. The same power here will be in the denominator. Okay, this means x cube by 3 minus x plus some constant. This will be your answer. As you can see, x cube by 3 minus x plus some constant. Okay, now this integration will be separating the subparts. You will get ax square plus integration of bx plus integration of c. Okay, now a, b, c are constant. You can take them out. What you will get? You will get a times integration of x square plus b times integration of x plus c times integration of 1. Yes, and using the x power n form, you just saw what form I'm talking about. This form. Using this form, you will get a multiply x cube by 3 plus b multiply x square by 2 plus c multiply x plus some another constant bigger c, or you can also give k. Okay, clear? So you will have this as your answer, a x cube by 3 plus b x square by 2 plus c x plus some another constant capital C. Now this, so it will be, I'll be directly using the result. So you will get 2 times of integration of x square plus integration of ex. You will get 2 times x cube by 3 plus ex plus some constant. This will be your answer. Okay, as you can see, 2 by 3 x cube plus ex plus c. Now the 10th problem. Now root x minus integration of 1 by root x, sorry, it will, what is happening? First of all, we have to simplify it or expand the square. Okay, first of all, we have to expand it. So a square means x plus b square means this minus 2ab means this. Okay, dx. This is what will happen after the opening this square. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now you can separate them. Okay, using the another result, you will have integration of x plus integration of 1 by x can be rewritten as what? So sorry, 1 by x. So this will be 1 by just 1 by x minus 2 times of integration of 1. Okay. So this will be x square by 2. Yes. This will be log mod x. Yes. Minus 2x plus some constant. So your answer will be this, x square by 2 plus log mod x minus 2x plus some constant. Okay. Now, first of all, simplify the inside terms. You will get integration of x plus 5 minus 4 by x square, and 4 by x square can be rewritten as 4 minus 2. Yes? Okay. Now separate them. You will get integration of x plus 5 times integration of 1 minus 4 times, okay, minus 4 times integration of x power minus 2. Now what you will have, using the general form, x power 2 divided by 2 plus 5x minus the same formula I'll be using here. So x, so what we did, minus 2, whatever the power, we just added 1 and the same number will be in the denominator. Okay, you will have minus 1. So your final answer will be x square by 2 plus 5x, okay, minus, this will be plus, okay, 4 by x. So this will be your final answer. Clear? As you can see. So x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus some constant. Okay. We just forgot to add this constant. Clear? Okay. Let us move next. Now 12th. Again simplify it. You will have x cube divided by, so this will be x cube minus half plus 3x 1 minus half plus 4x minus half. Okay, simplified, this will give you what, 5 by 2. Yes, as you can see, this will give you 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, this will be plus half. Yes, this will be what, plus half. Okay, plus half, and this is just minus half. Now using the results, this will be, after separating them, you will have like this. Okay, this will be what, as you can see, x power 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 x power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus 4 x minus half plus 1, we just adding plus 1, half plus 1. So now after simplifying, what you will get as your answer, this will be what? This will be, as you can see, 7 by 2, this means 2 by 7. As you can see, 7 by 2 means 2 by 7. Okay. Here it will be 3 by 2, as you can see, 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 3 to 3 cancel and 2 will be here. As you can see, 2 multiply with this. Now here it will be half, just half. Okay, it will be half, x power half. Here it will be half, and in denominator you will have 1 and 2 will be multiplied with 4. You will get 8 multiply x power half means root x, now plus some constant. Clear? Okay, let us move to the problem number 13. Simplify it. What you will get here, you will be using some identity. What identity I am talking about? See, in numerator, okay, in numerator, if you see in first two terms, these terms x cube and x square, take x square common, you will left with x minus 1. You are having x minus 1 here, so take x minus 1 from the numerator common. Okay, you will left with x Okay, you will left with what? X square plus 1. So x minus 1 will be cancelled. You only left with x square plus 1. So x square plus 1, now integrate it. You will have what? X cube by 3 plus x plus some constant. Okay, as you can see, x cube by 3 plus x plus some constant. Clear? So what we used, we did just nothing but taking x square common from the first two terms of the numerator, which means x cube minus x square. You will have this. Now x minus 1 is already here, divided by x minus 1. Now take x minus 1 and x minus 1 common again. You only left with what? X square plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Now as you can see, x minus 1 will be cancelled. You only left with x square plus 1. Okay. Let us move next. Now simplify it. You will have what? Integration of root x minus x 1 plus half. This means 3 by 2. Now use the just x power n, integration of x power n form. You will have what? So x 3 by 2 you will have for this first thing, and for this it will be, after adding 1 you will have 5 by 2 or 2 by 5 here plus some constant. Clear? The answer will be, as you can see, 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 x power 5 by 2 plus some constant. Okay, clear? What we are using again and again, let me just recall you. So we are using x power n. This integration will be x power n plus 1, n plus 1, just adding 1 to the previous power plus some constant. Okay, ex or take e power nx will be ex by enx by n plus some constant. Okay, we are trying to form this inside term in the form which we have already known, like this form or this form. In trigonometric form we know the sine nx and cos nx form. Okay, sine nx is equals to minus of cos nx by n, and for cos nx it is equals to sine nx by n. Okay, so far we have used these four things, sorry, four or five, yes, four things. Okay, clear? Let us move to the next 15th problem. Now just simplify it, multiply them. You will get what form? You will get form like these. Okay, so after multiplying inside, what you will get, let me just show you. So this will be 3x power 5 by 2 plus 2x power 3 by 2 plus 3x power half. Now separate them. You will get, using the results, you can take the constant thing out and separate them. You will get 3 times of integration of x power 5 by 2 dx plus 2 multiply x integration of x power 3 by 2 plus 3 multiply integration of x power half. Now using x power n is equals to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This thing you will have 3 multiply x power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus 2 multiply x power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 3 multiply x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus some constant. You will have now rearrange these terms. Okay, the denominator terms. You will get this as your final answer. Okay, clear? Okay, let us move next. Now 16th problem. 16th problem. So 16th problem, after separating you will get what? 2 multiply integration of x minus 3 multiply integration of cos x plus integration of ex. This will be x square by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. You only left with x square, as you can see. Minus 3 cos x integration is just sin x. So you will have minus 3 sin x, as you can see. Now ex integration is just ex. Now add some constant to complete your answer. Okay. Now 17th problem. Separate them. You will have integration of 2 times integration of x square minus 3 times integration of sin x plus 5 times integration of x power half. Root means x power half. Now this will be adding 1 power. Okay, you will have 2 multiply x power 3 divided by 3 minus this will be just cos x. Okay, so this will be 3 cos x. As you can see, minus minus will be a positive, so that's why 2x cube by 3 plus 3 cos x. Now for this it will be what, at minus, so it will be sorry, adding 1 you will have what, 3 by 2. Yes, 3 by 2. So like this you will be having 10 by 3 multiplied with x power 3 by 2 plus some constant. Okay, simple. So we are again using those forms. Okay, so try to memorize them. Now problem number 18, multiply it. So sec square plus sec x tan x, you know, after simplifying, sec square is the integration of tan x and sec x tan x is the integration of just sec x. So you will have tan x plus sec x plus some constant. Okay, so just multiply, you will get what? You will get sec square plus sec x tan x. Now separate them, sec square x plus sec x tan x, and this is the integration or the difference. A tan x differentiation will gives you what? Sec square x, and sec x differentiation will gives you sec x tan x, or the reverse process will be like this. Okay, you must know in this question, you must know the integration of sec square x. We have already shown you that how sec square x is equals to integration is equals to tan x plus some constant, and sec x tan x. Okay, sec x tan x is equals to what? Your sec x plus some constant. Okay, so please do memorize them also. Okay, as we already given you a list of standard or some basic integral antiderivatives. Okay, let us move next. Now 19th problem. 19th problem. One thing is to simplify it. Okay, one thing is to simplify it if you want to, or what can you say? Just simplify it. So 1 by cos square, sec square will be 1 by cos square, and this will be 1 by sin square. So you will have sin square by cos square. This means tan square x. Okay, now tan square x can be rewritten as we know, as we do not have, or we do not have seen a direct antiderivative for tan square x. We know about sec square x. Yes, we do not know about this at this instant. So this means what we know, we have to convert our thing, we have to change our thing into what we know already. So tan square x can be rewritten as sec square x minus 1. Now separate them, you know about this integration, you know about this integration. So this will be tan x minus, and this will be minus of x plus some constant. Okay, so such type of technique you must apply. Okay, clear? Let us move to the problem number 20. Problem 20 says integrate it. So how you are going to integrate? Quite simple, separate them. You will have integration of 2 sec square x minus, this will be 3 integration. I'll be directly using the rules results. So this will be minus 3 sec x tan x. Okay, dx. So this will be what? Your 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus some constant. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. As you can see, 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus some constant. Okay, now let us move to the problem number 21. So the antiderivative for this will be, the one way is to differentiate all the options, and whatever the option gives you this as your differentiation, you will say that that will be your answer. But we will not be applying such long process. We will just directly doing the integration. To find the derivative, we just do the integration. Sorry, to find the antiderivative, we just do the integration. Okay, integration. Now using the results, you will have directly this form. Okay, now this will be what? X power 3 by 2, yes, like this form. And this will be what? So it will be just 2, as you can see. So we adding 1, this means half, this means 2 here, okay, plus some constant. So you will be having this as your result. So 2 by 3, so you are having 2 by 3 in this option and in this option. So now x power 3 by 2, you are having x power 3 by 2, so you are having x power 3 by 2 here. Now plus 2x half plus some constant, this will be your correct answer, answer number C. Okay, clear? I hope it is clear to you. So option C will be your correct, option C. Clear? We just use what? The result of integration, okay, basic results. Let us move to the next problem, problem number 22. So problem 22 says that derivative of this function is this thing, okay, such that f of 2 is equals to 0, then find fx. So you have to find fx. So you know the fx derivative is this. This means you have to find out the antiderivative for this function. Okay, so applying the antiderivative means integration. You have to find the integration. This means you can rewrite this. Okay, now what? So it will be, after adding 1 you will have this. Now here after adding 1 you will have minus 3 here and minus 3 here. Clear? Okay, now as you can see this will be cancelled. You will also plus some constant, you must add some constant. Okay, you must add some constant, always add some constant after integration. You will have, after simplifying, x power 4 plus x power minus 3 plus c. This will be your what? Antiderivative for this. Now this means this will be your fx. Antiderivative is what? Your fx. Yes, after differentiating this you will get this. Now one more information is given, that f of 2 is equals to 0. Okay, this means using this information what you will have, substituting in place of x equals to 2, you will have fx 0. This means 0 is equals to 2 power 4 plus 2 power minus 3 plus c. This means what? C will be your minus 2 power 4 and 2 power minus 3. So your value for C will be this. This means minus 16 minus 1 by 8. Yes, minus 1 by 8, as you can see, this will be what? Your 1 by 2 cube. This means 1 by 8. Now solve this. What you will have? Minus of, in denominator you will be having 8 minus 1. 16 times 8 will be what? Okay, 128 minus 1. So your final answer will be, thus value for C will be what? Minus of 127 divided by 8. So your replace the value. Okay, you can write in place of C as what? Minus 127 by 8. So this will be your final answer, which satisfy everything. Okay, clear? So okay, I have done. Okay, so here it is minus already, minus, so sorry. Okay, so one thing is, so minus 127 minus 1 divided by 8. So this means minus 128 minus 1 divided by 8. This will be minus 129. Okay, sorry for that. Minus 129. Your final answer will be minus 129 by 8. So as you can see, you are having this as your answer, option A. Clear? So let me just once again show you the solution. So antiderivative for this will be this fx. Okay, so find the antiderivative. Antiderivative of this will be fx. This means fx will be integration of this. By using the results from the integration, you can write this, you can write this. Okay, and then you will get f of x is equals to x power. So this will be f of x is equals to x power 4 plus 1 by x cube plus 3. You know f of 2 is equals to 0. This means f of 2 will be 2 power 4 plus 1 by 2 cube plus c is equals to 0. This means c is equals to minus of 16 plus 1 by 8. This means minus 129 by 8. So your final answer for fx will be this. So option A will be your correct answer. Okay, I hope that you understood every question of this exercise 7.1. Okay, so that's it for this session. Clear? So we will be back. So thank you.